Hey everybody, it's Diane again. I just want to let everybody know that my husband is home and he's doing really good, and that's a really good thing. I'm out here in my courtyard and I'm going to just walk as I talk because this is both happy and sad. So, walk over here. He's home. He's making a full recovery. He's going to be fine. The lung is inflated. He's doing really well. Unfortunately, when I came home from the hospital the other day, we were looking for my other cat, Bailey. You guys will recall we lost Balloo suddenly, our other cat, just a month ago. Well, Bailey's been grieving the loss of Balloo. He's all that she's known. She's 7, and he was 13, and they've always been together. They've been inseparable, and since his passing, she's had such a hard time. She just broke my heart. It was heartbreaking for her to watch grieve. She didn't know where he went. She didn't understand. So she's been sleeping with me and hiding in the closet. We've had to. Last month we had to carry her to her food and to her water. And the last week she's been coming out, going to the bathroom on her own. We didn't have to carry her. She's been going to her food on her own and everything. But she also started going into our linen closet and hiding. And before I left for the hospital on Friday, I went to grab her and she came out. I gave her food. She kind of protested and grabbed the blanket that she was holding on to in the closet. She was in the linen closet. The closet was open the whole time. She could have, come and gone. But, so I gave her food and water. She was eating. I left for the hospital. And Friday night I came home. I was going to stay, but my husband was going to be released on Saturday, on a Sunday morning. I'm sorry. It was Saturday. I came home. Saturday night. After he got out of the ICU, I was going to stay in his room, and I didn't. I came home. I figured to be with Bailey and to be with my son. I put a Popeye on my bed. My son went to get her out of the closet and screamed. Bailey was ice cold and she was gone. Just like that. Just gone. And she was my baby. She was my Siamese little baby. She would go on my chest. She slept with me. We were inseparable. So now we've lost both of our babies in less than a month. And I'm at a loss. I feel like I'm floating. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so grateful that my husband's home. So we had to take her to the vet and have her cremated the other day, which was the hardest thing I've ever done. I just held on to her and cuddled her and wouldn't let go before we left and at the vet. So, this has been a really hard month, one tragedy after another. I don't know what's going on. The vet said that she just missed Balloo so much. They were inseparable, and she couldn't take it. That's all she knew, was to be with him. So now I'm at a loss. It's just us, me, without without my baby. My husband had to come home knowing that she wasn't here, and it's been really hard. So I'm going to try to keep busy this week. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm in such a daze with everything that's gone on the last week with my husband, the last month with Balloo, and now coming home to find Bailey just gone. She was curled up like she was sleeping, and she just died. And there's no other explanation other than the grief that was just too much for her. So I'm going to try to do some videos this week just to keep busy. My husband's going to be home for the next couple weeks, so I have him to lean on, and my son. This is just really, it's just a hard time for us right now. So please forgive me if you don't see a whole lot of videos. I'm going to try and do some dehydrating videos. I'm not up to canning. I probably won't be for the next week or so, honestly. I can barely get out of bed. I mean, I'm outside now, but honestly, this is the first few minutes that I haven't cried my heart out all morning. It's been incredibly hard. And I just cry out of nowhere, and I'm really trying to keep it together right now so I can let all of you know what's going on. So please pray for us, and keep my husband in your prayers. He still needs prayers, as do me and my son now, especially me. My son's doing really well with the loss of Lou. He really is. He understands what I'm going through, even though how hard it is for him. I'm gonna give you guys my donation again for PayPal. It's paypal.me/thecanningnana. And if any of you feel moved to give a donation, that would be a tremendous help right now with hospital bills and vet bills. It's just kind of overwhelming. So while I've cut stuff in there that I have to dehydrate. So I'm gonna take you along. It may not be the upbeat me that you guys are used to hearing, but please bear with me. I will get through this. It's really gonna take some time. Bailey was 7, and I've raised her from the time she was 5 weeks old. And yeah, she was my baby, my little Siamese baby. She was a seal point and beautiful. And one day I will get another seal point. I'm not sure when, but nothing will ever take her place, of course. But I've never been without a cat to love and cuddle on. And I know that there's kitties out there that will need our love and attention, and that's what I intend on doing. So if you guys feel moved, please donate. We can really use it right now. Watch my videos, that'll help too. Go back and watch the old ones. I really appreciate all of you guys, and all of your prayers for my husband. Please keep my family in prayer. We're really gonna need it. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for bearing with us and seeing us through my husband's operation to the other side. And now that he's home, he's gonna make a full recovery, and I am ever so grateful for that. But to come home and have another tragedy on top of what was supposed to be a wonderful homecoming, and an exciting time that he pulled through, which I am very excited about. Don't get me wrong, I really am. But this Bailey was both of our babies. I mean, literally like our daughter. So this has been really, really hard, and it is going to be hard for some time. Thank you for bearing with me, you guys. Okay. I will get some pineapple videos and some tomato dehydrating videos up as soon as I can. And I know I don't have to. And I know a lot of you guys have told me to take my time and not make videos, but videos are therapeutic for me, especially during times like this, during times like stress. I have severe anxiety, and this will help me getting things out to you. So I appreciate you guys and look forward to seeing your comments and your support, just like we did before. Thank you, and I will see you soon.